What you doing?
I'm doing science.
What is your science lesson about today?
It's about hearing.
What are we making?
I'm making, I don't really know what it is. A telephone.
You can make a telephone? That'll really save on our next phone bill. I love when corny jokes make them laugh. Alright, what's the first thing you need? What are the tools that you need to make a phone?
I need 2 cups with holes punctured in the bottom of each.
Let Daddy do it.
Alright.
It's kind of Daddy's thing.
Okay. Then what?
String. And where's the end of this thing? Oh, here it is. It's
Here.
meant to be that long, probably. But it's not knotted. I can't get it out.
Chubby. Shh, shh, shh.
Be quiet under this.
And what else do you need?
A daddy!
Does it literally say a daddy?
No, it says a friend. But I don't have any friends over at my house right now.
Okay.
So I need a daddy!
I thought she was going to do the same thing too and be like, but I don't have any friends. Oh, we didn't say you don't have friends. Here's a Pua. Pua will make you happy. Pua's your friend.
And let me watch my science.
Pua's a friend, right?
Yeah, but I think Pua's ear is a bit too big. My ear's too small.
You do have small ears. Let everybody see your ears. Turn your head sideways. See, you have small ears. You also have a small nose.
I'm learning about my ears, so these are my ears.
So what is this supposed to do whenever we, how does it work as a phone while Daddy's cutting the string?
You just put a little bit of string in here, and then you just,
You both put your ears on each ear at the same time?
yeah.
Then how are you going to hear what the other one's saying?
I don't really know.
Well, think about it. Here, grab your cup. If I have mine on my ear and you have yours on your ear, how are we going to listen to each other?
The string.
Okay, but what if we both have it in our mouths at the same time?
That'll never work. You have to have one on the mouth and one on the ear.
Alright, so put one on your mouth and one on your ear.
No.
And that's how it works, right?
A mouth and an ear. But it doesn't really work without the string.
I think the knot goes on the inside of the cup. You have a needle.
Right.
Oh, you're using the needle. Super Daddy.
Super Daddy.
That's a lovely sound. What? You can't fit your hand? Do you need me to try? Oh, they're smaller. Those are small cups.
Alright. So what we'll do, we'll take and tie a knot.
Can you not?
I cannot.
So you cannot or you cannot not?
I cannot.
You cannot not?
I cannot. Where is the end of this thing?
She won't do it.
And then we'll take the needle off.
Sarah, you cannot not?
I cannot.
Does that one have a knot on it?
Yep.
So you cannot.
Oh, yes, I cannot.
Doesn't work.
Yes. Yes.
No, it doesn't work yet. You know why it doesn't work yet?
No.
The string isn't tight. The string has to be tight.
Okay.
So stand up, walk to the other end of the table.
Bumpity-doo. Okay.
Just to school.
I'm just going to put
Maybe make the string a little long.
Bum, bum.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes. Yes.
Here, let me have it. All right. Pull it tight. Now talk. All right. Now try it. Say hello, peoples.
Hi. My lovely mother.
Put it on your ear now.
Booga, booga.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me, Sarah?
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you. Hello.
All right, Sarah, say thanks for watching.
Thank you all for watching our imagination shows. Goodbye.